Have you ever said or done something with a woman that you later regretted? Maybe you thought you were being kind, but it backfired. Or you tried to impress her and it just didn't land the way you expected. The truth is, men make some crucial mistakes with women. Not because we mean to, but because we don't realize how these actions affect the dynamic. And the worst part? These mistakes can cost us respect, attraction, and even long-term relationships. Stay with me until the end, because I'll share a mindset shift that will change the way you interact with women forever. Let's dive in. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we dive deep into mindset, relationships, and self-improvement. Today we're talking about 8 things that men should never do with women. These mistakes are common, but once you understand them, you'll stand out as a high-value man who naturally commands respect. 1. Seeking validation. One of the worst things a man can do with a woman is constantly seek her approval. Whether it's asking, "Do you like me?" or needing constant reassurance, this screams insecurity. Confidence comes from within, not from someone else's validation. Think about a man who walks into a room and just knows he belongs. Women pick up on that. Neediness, on the other hand, is a repellent. Now let's talk about a big one that ruins attraction fast. Over-explaining yourself. 2. Over-explaining yourself. If she questions something you said or did, don't jump into a long-winded explanation. A confident man owns his words and actions. Over-explaining often signals guilt or uncertainty, which lowers your perceived value. If a woman asks, "Why didn't you text me back?" instead of a nervous apology, just say, "I was busy, but I'm here now." Simple, strong, no over-explaining. Up next, the habit that turns a potential relationship into a friendship, being too available. 3. Being too available. Men often think that if they're always there for a woman, she'll appreciate them more. In reality, it makes her take you for granted. Mystery and scarcity create attraction. Think about the last time you were super available. Did it make her more interested or less? Probably less. A man who values his time makes her value him. Now let's discuss why arguing with women is a losing battle. 4. Arguing emotionally. Men try to win arguments with logic, but when emotions are involved, logic won't work. Instead of engaging in endless debates, set a boundary and walk away if needed. If she's emotional and you argue back emotionally, the situation escalates. A grounded man keeps his composure. Next, we'll talk about the worst thing you can do when a woman tests you. 5. Failing her tests. Women will test your confidence, whether consciously or subconsciously. She might tease you, ignore you, or challenge your opinions. If you react emotionally or seek validation, you fail the test. If she says, "You're not that funny," a weak response is, "Oh, really? Why do you think that?" A strong response is, "You haven't seen my best material yet." See the difference? Now let's talk about something that instantly lowers your value: apologizing excessively. 6. Apologizing too much. Saying sorry when you've genuinely done something wrong is great, but constantly apologizing for small things makes you look weak. Imagine a man who says, "Sorry for bothering you," just for texting her. It makes him seem unsure of himself. Instead, say, "Hey, hope you're having a great day." Strong, director. Coming up, why putting her on a pedestal is a guaranteed way to lose her respect. 7. Putting her on a pedestal. Respect is mutual. If you treat her like she's above you, she'll start seeing you as beneath her. Compliment her, but don't worship her. She's human, just like you. Instead of saying, "You're the most amazing woman in the world," say, "I love your energy, it's refreshing." This keeps the balance. And finally, let's talk about why you should never make a woman the center of your world. 8. Making her your entire life. The fastest way to lose a woman is to lose yourself in her. Have your own mission, purpose, and life outside of her. That's what keeps the attraction alive. A man with a purpose is irresistible. She should complement your life, not be your life. Now here's the mindset shift I promised. Women respect men who respect themselves first. Everything we covered today boils down to self-respect, confidence, and purpose. When you embody these traits, the right women will naturally be drawn to you. If this video gave you some valuable insights, do me a favor. Hit that like button, drop a comment with your biggest takeaway, and share this with a friend who needs to hear it. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more powerful insights on relationships, self-mastery, and mindset. Remember, the way you carry yourself determines how others treat you. Stay strong, stay focused, and keep growing. I'll see you in the next video. For now, watch this video.